सादर नमस्कार, सादर जय जिनेंद्र। क्षमा न्यूज चैनल, कहीं भी कभी भी सही और सकारात्मक समाचारों के लिए देखना और सुनना न भूलें। साथ में आपसे विनम्र निवेदन है कि यदि आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया अवश्य कीजिए और शेयर और लाइक करना ना भूलें।
मोक्ष मार्गस्य नेतारं वेतारं गर्भगोपुत्रं नाथारं सतत्वानां वंदे तत्गुणलब्धे। वंदामी माता जी को, सबको नमन करो। हमको थोड़ी थोड़ी हिंदी मालूम है, सरलता नहीं है भाई। आपके जाने वाले इधर नॉर्थ इंडिया आने जाने का माता जी के दर्शन का थोड़ी थोड़ी हिंदी नमन करते हो। I will speak in English. That Mataji 20 years Mahabharatiya. She stayed only at MP, Madhya Pradesh. Most of this Chadurmas only at Madhya Pradesh. We used to see every Chadurmas to darshan our Mataji. Mataji told us, here the Shravak Shravakika अच्छे हैं both, they will do service. You see, like that, is there anybody in our Tamil Nadu? We are planning to invite Mataji to our Tamil Nadu. Mataji also interested to come to our Tamil Nadu, Madurai and other places. Our Acharya Gundagunda Bhumi, and like that she knows that. And she already, Mataji told me to have a plan to get permission from our Acharya. If Acharya give permission, definitely we will come to Tamil Nadu. So we are planning, but unfortunately this has happened that we are very, very sad about this. This is so much this people, so Shravak here. My humble request to all of you, because if anybody, if Mataji goes for in jungle, one you please think that place is not so, I think it is nearer to the highway or a very main road. So you please change the place, some remote place where no vehicle is coming. So please, there go, Mataji is there, you please change this place, you please go wherever, very near. That is very safest place. Or if you please by change to Shravak, go with God, and you see that traffic and allow them to go. But you don't send them alone. Please, it is my humble request. And also, because I was in Varasoni, I saw that 2 or 4 Shravak will come daily, regularly by 6 o'clock. They accompany with our Mataji. They go with that and stand some far away place. Mataji will go and finish their work and will come back. So, kindly, are you going, anybody going with Mataji? Yes, I am asking you. If any of you going with Mataji, சொல்லுங்க ஜி, யாராவது போறாங்களா கூடன்னு கேளுங்க. Any 2 Shravak should go with Mataji while going for jungle. Hereafter you please follow. Don't allow them to go separately for any Mataji. This kind of sadness should not happen in future. Both, and also my humble request to all your son, you please take this case as you please file a case in the court and get good judgment. The government should give full protest to us, or our Samaj should give full protection. But for this case, to Mataji, Samadhi attained, don't keep it silent. Please file a case. Are you having any idea about this? To file a case? Yes, I am asking you. Any case filed? Why you don't keep it like that, but you should show our strength, because we are very minority people. Hindus are both over here, but we are very, very minority. You should please don't leave this like this, but you file a case and get a good judgment. Hereafter, no death should be occurred like this in future. By our Mataji, only 47 years. Is it the place, a time for death for attain Mataji, attain Samadhi? Is it? It's not correct. हाँ बहुत दुख है, बहुत दुख है. Could not tolerate this. When we heard this on day before yesterday, we tried to come here, but you would not come from this Chennai. We don't have that flight. Otherwise, we would have come on that day before yesterday itself. Yesterday, we came to this Madhyaji, then we came from that place. But we have missed this, our Mataji, so much. You see, she is more intelligent. You see that Netra, eyes, so she is very clever. When she was in child, from that college, school, she has attended first in the classroom. Like that, she was very, very intelligent, and also very sharp mind. You see that Netra. You see that how she is very much. We have lost her. How can we get this Mataji again? Is it possible? Could not possible. Is it possible? Humble request for all of you. Kindly naman karo. Is there anything I have spoke to you is hurt your mind? Please naman karo. Naman karo. Please don't hurry anybody to do like this. Mom said, oh, don't. धन्यवाद.
क्षमा न्यूज चैनल देखने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सादर प्रणाम. सादर जय जिनेंद्र.